Good morning students. In today's video we will discuss our next topic, that is dissolution of partnership and dissolution of firm. This topic will be covered under the headings as visible on your screen. First of all, we will discuss the meaning of the two terms, that is dissolution of partnership and dissolution of firm. Next, we will discuss the difference between the two terms. Afterwards, we will discuss methods of dissolution of firm. Then we will discuss rights and liabilities of partners after dissolution. And finally, we will discuss settlement of accounts after dissolution. Since the topic is very big, in the present video we will discuss only the first two headings, that is meaning and difference between the dissolution of partnership and dissolution of firm. To begin with, the meaning of the terms. As is visible on your screen, the dissolution of partnership between all the partners of a firm is dissolution of firm, which is discussed under section 39. Dissolution of firm is our main topic of discussion today, as dissolution of partnership we have already discussed under the reconstitution of firm. जहाँ तक आपको याद होगा, हमने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ फर्म, जिसे हमने 2 पार्ट्स में स्टडी किया था. वन वॉज एडमिशन ऑफ अ पार्टनर एंड सेकेंड वॉज लीविंग ऑफ अ पार्टनर, दैट इज इनकमिंग पार्टनर एंड आउटगोइंग पार्टनर. जो सेकेंड पार्ट था, दैट इज द आउटगोइंग पार्टनर, और व्हेन अ पार्टनर लीव्स द पार्टनरशिप फर्म, that is the one and same what we call as dissolution of partnership. इसका मीनिंग होता है when a partner breaks his relation with the other partners and other partners continue to operate the business of the firm, it is known as dissolution of partnership. हावेवर इसमें जो पुराना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है वो ऑटोमेटिकली ख़त्म हो जाता है और रिमेनिंग पार्टनर एक नया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंटर करते हैं इन ऑर्डर टू कंटिन्यू दी बिजनेस ऑफ द पार्टनरशिप फर्म. नेक्स्ट हमारा आता है डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ फर्म. When the relation between all the partners break down, it is called dissolution of firm. It terminates the business of the firm. यानी जब सभी पार्टनर्स का म्यूचुअल रिलेशन ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगा तो ऑफ कोर्स पार्टनरशिप फर्म का बिजनेस भी टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा, एंड इट ऑल्सो इम्प्लाइज टर्मिनेशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. यानी कि हम कह सकते हैं डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप डज नॉट मीन डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ फर्म, बट डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ फर्म मीन्स डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. Next, we will discuss the difference between the two terms, that is the difference between dissolution of firm and dissolution of partnership. For discussing the difference, we have taken the basis of difference and then we have taken the two headings, that is dissolution of partnership and dissolution of firm. फर्स्ट बेसिस ऑफ डिफरेंस इज दैट ऑफ मीनिंग जो अभी हमने प्रीवियस स्लाइड में डिस्कस किया है. डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप में व्हेन अ पार्टनर ब्रेक्स हिज रिलेशन विद अदर पार्टनर्स इज कॉल्ड डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. Whereas in dissolution of firm, when relation between all the partners break down, it is known as dissolution of firm. Second point of difference is continuation or stoppage of business. In case of dissolution of partnership, the firm's business does not necessarily stop. Normally, the remaining partners of the partnership firm continue the business of the firm. Whereas in the case of dissolution of firm, the business of the firm stops on its dissolution. Next, third point, relation between partners. In case of dissolution of partnership, relation between all partners does not end. Whereas in dissolution of firm, relation between all the partners terminate. Next, condition of dissolution. When the firm is dissolved, partnership is automatically dissolved. Whereas it is not essential that firm is dissolved on dissolution of partnership. Last point of difference is disbursement of share. In case of dissolution of partnership, the outgoing partner is given his share. Whereas in case of dissolution of firm, all the assets are distributed among the all partners. So in this video, we have discussed the meaning and difference between dissolution of firm and dissolution of partnership. In the remaining for the remaining topics, we will share the subsequent videos. Thank you.